Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing a Loveworld song, God of Love, and we're going to be doing it in the key of D. Alright, so if you're watching this tutorial and you don't know how to play the key of D, there's a free lesson on key D in the playlist of about 53 videos, but on different keys. So you can go to my playlist and check for the video that has 53 videos, click on it, look for D, and then learn how to play it. Or you can follow whatever I'm about to give to you and then be a part of it. All right, so I'm going to play the intro of the song, play it slowly, play the body, everything, and then explain. So the beginning, you can do. Then so it's from 1 then to chord 4. Alright, then you do 6, so to 5. So you are the living word, 1. You fill me with your love, 4. You are 6. Alright, that touch my heart, 5. So if you want to be playing the chords, that's how it would be like. That's it. So basically that's how the song also flows. You are the living bread, you fill me with. You can do 1/4, then you. So this part you can just do 6. You are the living that touch my heart, 5. Then you do 6, 7, 1. So 6, 7, da, 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 da. You got da, 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 da. Okay, so you realize that I was holding this chord for 4 and then 6. You can do that. Alright. Then, you're my So you're my comfort, 1. Meditation, 5. Then to 2. And then 4, 6, 5, 3, 4. You're my comfort. +7, 4, then 1. All right, so that's the whole song. It's very easy to play. So click on the subscription button and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.